This is Michael Ballard with the Ridge Route Preservation Organization on the Ridge Route just south of the Tumble Inn and checking out some tire tracks. You can see on the left side of the roadway, we're back when the pavement was still wet, about 1917, 1918. Somebody drove on the concrete. As you can see, tire tracks. They get a little bit more. It's the additional one here, kind of deep. Continuing a little further on, see even more. Not all that different from the three-point turn that is visible just north of here, but it is still an interesting find. Construction mistakes, 100 years old, here on the historic Ridge Route.